160,000 housing units are under construction, each one providing not only a roof over a family's head, but also creating thousands of jobs for our young people, artisans, and professionals. As I committed, we will be handing over the next 5,000 units right here in Nairobi, as we do it in other counties this month. On universal health coverage, we are ensuring that illness no longer drives families into poverty and that access to quality health care is upheld as a right of every citizen. Despite the inevitable challenges of transition, which are being systematically addressed, the progress is demonstrable and undeniable. As of today, 25.7 million Kenyans have registered with the Social Health Authority, a clear indication of confidence in this reform. Through SHA, we are delivering healthcare to millions of Kenyans in direct, practical, and impactful ways. I must commend the county governments for working in partnership for us to deliver on this commitment to the people of Kenya. Ladies and gentlemen, our independent constitution established under Chapter 15 of the Constitution are the pillars that safeguard the sovereignty of the people. The judiciary, parliament, and constitutional commissions operate independently to ensure justice is served, resources are protected, and leadership remains accountable. Yet while independent, they are also interdependent, bound together by the shared duty to uphold the Constitution and serve the public good. Parliament relies on reports from oversight agencies. The judiciary requires laws passed by Parliament, and the executive depends on checks and guidance of all institutions to deliver effectively. This balance of independence and interdependence is the genius of our constitutional design. No arm of government, no office, and no commission can claim supremacy because they are all answerable to the people. In this way, our institutions work not in competition, but in complementarity to protect democracy, entrench accountability, and advance the aspirations of every Kenyan. Fellow patriots, our national values set out in Article 10 of the Constitution are not only a key pillar of our constitutional order, but also the very foundation of our stability as a nation. They remind us that Kenya must always be anchored in patriotism, national unity, democracy, participation of the people, human dignity, equity, social justice, equality, non-discrimination, integrity, transparency, and accountability. Today, on this Katiba Day, as we renew our commitment to the ideals of the Constitution, we must ask ourselves honest, candid questions. Are we truly patriotic? Are we living with integrity, both in public and private? Are we inclusive, leaving no one behind? Are we accountable to one another and to our institutions and to future generations? Corruption is a serious threat to our progress as a nation. It undermines our Constitution, weakens our institutions, and erodes the well-being of every Kenyan. It is a fact that corruption exists in all arms of government and poses a serious challenge. The executive the legislature, and the judiciary